Hello, welcome to the world of artificial intelligence. Today we want to check the new feature added to ChatGPT. The ability to connect to the internet, which allows you to get the best productivity from ChatGPT. Of course, we will add this possibility to ChatGPT for free. If you are ready, let's go to the main work. Before starting, I must tell you that in order to use ChatGPT, you need to create an account in OpenAI. If you have not created this account, I will make a video for this topic soon. Let's continue our work. The ability to connect to the internet, which was recently added to ChatGPT, helps us to ask our own questions to this friend with the most up-to-date content. In order to be able to connect ChatGPT to the internet, we need to add an extension to Chrome. For this, we go to the Chrome Web Store to download the extension we need. I will put all the links in the description of this video, so there is no need to type again. Now we search for the name WebChatGPT inside this store. Among the results that it brings us, we choose the second item that says, WebChatGPT, ChatGPT with Internet Access. This extension was able to get 4 stars and has more than 1 million users, which is great. This shows that if you haven't entered our world yet, you must say hello to the world of artificial intelligence. Click on the Add to Chrome button to add this extension to the list of extensions in our Chrome profile. We will wait for this extension to be downloaded and added to our profile. Yes. As you can see, the required extension was added to our profile and took us directly to ChatGPT. Well, let's go to test this tool together and show you its possibilities. The first feature of this extension is that we can activate it in ChatGPT whenever we want, and we don't need to disable the extension from Chrome profile every time. So we started with the necessary feature. The next thing we see here is the number of web search results. With this option, we can determine how many results are found on the web and answer us based on those items. Again, this is a very good feature. It helps us sometimes to prevent the results from being thrown, and sometimes the answer is not accurate. In this feature, we can specify from 1 result to 10 results or select the maximum results. The third feature is very attractive. With this feature, we can determine what date the found searches belong to. This feature is good because we can get new results by specifying the interval. Of course, with this feature, you can access the results of the last day, the last week, the last month, or the entire results. In the next feature, we can specify which region these results belong to. If you want your results to be for Canada only, you can get closer to the main results by selecting this option. The last feature of this extension is an important, sensitive, and professional feature. Before explaining this feature, let me fully explain how this extension works. When you ask a question, this extension searches the internet and returns results based on the filter you set. Now, according to the obtained results, it is placed in this text and gives this text to ChatGPT to give us the answer based on these results. Maybe you have a question here. What is this text? This text is known as prompt in artificial intelligence. This topic itself requires more explanation, But if I want to explain this briefly, I must say that this input can be in the form of a text message, a set of keywords, or other forms of guidance that can be used to influence the content and style of the model output. This is a way to control the output of the model to produce more specific and relevant text. Soon I will make a video for this topic and explain more. This text itself is creating a job called prompt engineering, which will be a popular job in the future. The explanation is a bit long. I hope you are not bored. Now let's test. We ask him, how can we make a pizza? Now let's set our extension filter. We turn on internet access. We set the number of results to 3. We select all the results. I would like him to bring me the results of Italy. Let's go and see what answer he gives us. As I said, this extension brought the results and gave the text to ChatGPT so that she could answer our question using these results. And this is the answer of my good friend. I hope the pizza is delicious. Our work is finished here. I hope I made a good video for you and you like it. If you liked this video, be sure to like and subscribe. I will make more interesting videos soon. If I have any problems, please write to me in the comments. Write any criticism or suggestion you have. Bye until the next video.